Hey guys, what's up? It's Daniel and I'm back with another cool unboxing. Well, actually this time I already unboxed it, so it's more like a review, but I do promise you it's pretty cool. So let's get into it. I ordered the Supreme and CDG collaboration overcoat the other day and it arrived, and so here it is. First thing I noticed is it comes with a free hanger, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so let's take a look at this. The material is pretty cheap, it's plastic, but I do like how it's kind of thick, so it's good for hanging something heavy like this coat. Now let's get into the coat. So the coat comes with this tag over here, and it's got this pretty cool gradient going on. So on this tag it says I got a size small, which I did. And I normally get smalls in jackets because I like jackets that fit a little more tight. It doesn't say the price on here, but this was $698, which is definitely pretty pricey. This is the most expensive thing I own in terms of clothing, actually. And this also tells us a little bit about the material. 55% wool, 45% polyester. When I ordered this on the Supreme website, it was listed as a wool overcoat, but I guess it's just a wool polyester blend, which is a little bit disappointing. The material feels pretty nice though. It is kind of thin, so I don't know how good it would do in the middle of winter, but on the days where it's not so cold, you could definitely wear this if you layer a hoodie underneath or a sweater. The front is pretty normal. I mean, it's just a black overcoat on the front. Nothing to really say. The cool thing going on is definitely in the back, where you got this. And I know what you guys are thinking. Daniel, they messed up your jacket. Nah, dude, don't worry. It's supposed to be like this. So this season's collab was a split logo, which is why the logo here is split. Yeah. I was hoping this would be embroidered on, or maybe like a patch that's sewn on, but this is just printed on, which is, again, kind of disappointing. The quality of the print seems pretty good, but yeah, you're definitely gonna have to dry clean this if you don't want the print to crack. Don't really know what else to say, so I'm just gonna try this on and you guys can see how it fits. Yeah, it seems like it fits a little baggy. The arms are slightly big, and along the body, it's also pretty boxy. You guys can see the back. Definitely a pretty oversized fit. So let me try putting on a hoodie underneath, and I think it might be a little better. So here's how it looks with a hoodie. I feel like it fits a lot better now. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to wear something underneath this because just a t-shirt makes this look a little too baggy. Now let me try doing a crew neck. So here's how it looks with a crew neck underneath. I think I like the hoodie the most because it really fills out the inside. Crew neck is still a little bit thin. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing. I got some pretty cool stuff coming up soon, so see you then. Peace.